This is the real stuff. हाँ इधर पोजोज नहीं चले. हाँ कौन है चतुर महाश से जो हमसे
They're trying not to piss you off.
भाई हाँ जी.
अर्जुन कितना चैलेंजिंग रहा रॉकन प्रूव करना और साथ में बात को मेंटेन रखना कि पहला किरदार दूसरे किरदार से कहीं मैच ना.
अरे मैच तो होना चाहिए, सीक्वल है भाई साहब. लेकिन हाँ अगर जिस तरीके से उन्होंने रॉकन 2 का जो किरदार लिखा है, जो 8 साल बाद आप उनसे उनकी मुलाकात होती है, दर्शक की मुलाकात होगी लोगों के साथ, मेरी भी हुई थी उसी हिसाब से. तो क्या हो बीती उस 8 सालों में वो ये कहानी, और उसी प्रकार से मुझे भी एडजस्ट करना पड़ा. क्या होता है कि हम सब बदलते हैं दुनिया में, चेंजेस इनेविटेबल. तो उसी हिसाब से जब मेरा भी किरदार काफ़ी बदला और किस हिसाब से बदला है, उसे किस तरीके से आई हैड टू एम्ब्रेस हिम, क्योंकि जो एक बहुत ही वो जो कैरेक्टर है वाज वेरी क्लोज टू माय हार्ट. और जब कुछ अलग देता है एक निर्देशक आपको कि आप इस तरीके से उसे पोर्ट्रेट कीजिए, क्योंकि ये सब हुआ है जो अपनी ज़िंदगी में. तो हाँ थोड़ी बहुत इनिशियली मुश्किल आप महसूस करते हो कि ये मुश्किल होगा, लेकिन तो जो बेसिक होता है एक किरदार का, जो फाउंडेशन होता है, वो कभी नहीं बदल सकता और वो हम सब में नहीं बदलता, और वही हमारी फिल्म की कहानी है. प्राची सिंगिंग.
मुझे लगता है साक्षी मेरी तरह शायद बस एक बाथरूम सिंगर है, तो स्टेज पे नहीं आती है, गाना नहीं गाती है इनके साथ. वो ये लोग वो कमी पूरी कर देते हैं, बट आई थिंक इनको सुनने में, इनको जैम करते हुए देखने में और वो सब मुझे बहुत ज़्यादा मज़ा आया और मैं थोड़ी इंस्पायर्ड हो गई. तो तब से आई थिंक आई इंक्रीज माई बाथरूम सिंगिंग, बट एज द कैरेक्टर आई थिंक साक्षी अनफॉर्चुनेटली अभी भी नहीं गाती है.
अभी गाई थी रॉक ऑन वन में.
अर्जुन म्यूजिक की बात करें, क्या इस मूवी में भी फरहान के जो गाने सारे उन्होंने ही गाए? बिकॉज वी वांटेड टू आस्क हिम दैट क्वेश्चन बट ही लेफ्ट इन अ रश, सो हैज ही सung all?
कम बैक. We can ask it to him again.
आपसे जानना चाहेंगे, आपसे भी जानना चाहेंगे क्या?
नहीं, फरहान takes his singing and his singing career very seriously. I mean, you watch him, and I've gone and we've all gone. We've watched him live in Farhan live, and he's very amazing. He's very amazing, and he's a poet. He writes his own songs. He's very, very talented, and he does all of that. So for him, Rock On is an extension of it, you know, and you have to be appreciative about it, because how much he has the skill in this genre of film, I don't think any of us as actors have that. So it's a very something you must really appreciate. It is the reason why I think also Rock On 2 took so much time to get made and was made in this way. You know, because he's very passionate. Farhan is very, very passionate about the sound and about his music, and he's half Parsi, so, and I know Parsis. So yeah, you know, he's quite mad in that sense. But he is, when he gets his head to something, he sticks with it. And he's done that with this movie. And the sound of this movie, with Shankar Ehsaan Loy, Farhan, and even Shraddha, who's got a beautiful voice, collaborating, is very, very special. Farhan. Height बढ़ गई.
The first part is the music with the film before, the look of your character, each and every character of yours was fantastic. This time, but changes in your way. Were you disappointed with the
Were you
You didn't have to put on
disappointed?
the
You are looking good. You are looking good. Absolutely good.
Yeah, so see, I don't understand your question. And if you look the same way after 8 years, that means you're stuck in a time warp. You know, sometimes if Joe, I think, had long hair in this movie, I would not do this movie because I would believe that Joe would cut his hair. The same way, like my guru of music is Bono from U2. You know, Bono had really long hair when he did Rattle and Hum, when he did Streets Have No Name, and all those kind of albums. And now you see him, he's got short hair, he's a humanitarian, you know, he's with the UNO, he's grown. And I think growth is very important, and that's what we've tried to portray through the film.
Okay, Prachi, there's new entry in Rock On 2, that is Shashank Kapoor. Shashank Kapoor is a part of it.
Yeah.
Do you think that there will be a comparison, though you already been part of Rock On Plus, now Shraddha is part of another one, the Rock On 2. Do you think there will be a comparison between you and Shraddha Kapoor? With all due respect.
Was there any comparison between the four boys in the first film? I'm sure there was, and I don't think there's ever space for that. I think everybody is so amazingly well fit into the roles that they're doing, and I truly believe that we are meant for it. I don't think anybody else could have been Joe. I don't think anybody else could have been Jia or Adi or Sakshi. So I feel that everybody has their own space who's kind of, I think, very beautifully fitting into it. And you have to watch the film to believe what each one brings to it. And I'm sure that I hope that people really love it, and I believe nobody else could have done those parts. So there's no space for comparison.
You see, it's not about the quantity, it's the quality of each part. And I think each one is given a lot of quality because of the respect of what we were trying to do. The sad part is that today when we talk about a franchise or we talk about a sequel, 90% of the sequels that are being made in this country don't even retain those characters. Okay, characters change, their names change. Okay, they're the same people, but it's a sequel, but their names change, circumstances change, and it's just, you say, oh, it's a sequel. That's not how a sequel is. Spider-Man cannot become Superman, and Superman cannot become Batman. That's a sequel. Okay, and I think Rock On is being true to that, and true to all those characters. Today I really miss my wife Debbie. Okay, and I wish she was here because she's also really, really amazing in the film, and Shana was amazing in the earlier one. So yes, that's what the spirit and the feeling of all of us coming together to do a sequel. इसलिए 8 साल लगे, क्योंकि स्क्रिप्ट ही नहीं मिली. ऐसा नहीं था कि नहीं करना चाहते थे. रितेश सिलवानी तो कल बनाना चाहता था. ओके, अब तक तो 4 हो जाते. ओके, मगर उस हिसाब से नहीं हुआ, इसीलिए क्योंकि we all have been, including Ritesh, Farhan, and the whole team have been very, very particular about something very pure, not becoming spoiled.
Arjun, as you said, it took 8 years to make the sequel. So was it difficult to retain that chemistry for Magic? Like तुम लोग जो first part में से Rock On में chemistry था 4 characters का, was it difficult to retain that chemistry?
Yeah, I thought about the same thing. It's a very good question what you asked. It's actually I thought the same thing. 8 साल हो गए, हम वापस मिलेंगे, हमारी chemistry जमेगी नहीं जमेगी, किस हिसाब से जमेगी, okay? मगर आज जब हम we were driving here. After experiencing it only can you give that answer. I told Farhan, I said the nicest thing is कि we took this film to Shillong. We all met on an outdoor. Okay. Yes, we were a bit awkward initially कि क्या होगा, कैसे होगा, किसका किरदार किस हिसाब से होगा. Because Rock On I think was very special to a lot of people, from a Farhan to Prachi to Shahana to me, Purab, Luke, everybody who was part of Rock On, it was very, very special because it did so much for us that we were all like, yaar, ye gadbad na ho jaye. I hope it's not just a commercial, money-making decision. And it was not. That's why it took 8 years. And I'm so glad they took it to Shillong. Because when we all met there, and how we met, and we had our first breakfast, second one, third one, by the fourth breakfast,
no stopping us.
Yeah, there was nothing stopping us, and and that was really, really beautiful.
Even the
We all
director
came
couldn't
together.
stop us.
Yeah, and Shujat, he's the guy who had the maximum amount of pressure.
Yeah.
Really, know, because to say, "Acha, chalo, you are going to direct a sequel to a director who's already made a sequel and he's become very popular about that." Take that pressure to make all of us comfortable, to be so mature in the way he dealt with it for his first film, or for any film of his. He dealt with it very beautifully. He knew each character very well, and I think that was really wonderful.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.